spoon B was able to attract the paper clips? So what do you think caused spoon B to be able to attract? Can anyone answer me? Alright, now I'm going to show you how a spoon can be turned into a temporary magnet.
So remember spoon A? Was spoon A able to attract? No, right? Just now we saw that spoon A was not able to attract any other paper clips. I'm going to take out my magnet. What do you call this magnet? A bar magnet. Okay? So I'm going to stroke the spoon from one end to another in one direction for 5 times. Everybody, can you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now I'm going to put my spoon A next to near the paper clips. Children, what do you see? The paper clips are stuck to the spoon, right? So if let's say the spoon can attract paper clips, what do you call the spoon? A temporary magnet. That's right. Very clever guess. Okay, so if I stroke the spoon 5 more times, how many times would that be? 10 times? That's right. And if I stroke the spoon A for 10 times, do you think the spoon will be able to attract more or less paper clips? Some say more, some say less. Alright. And what about the magnetic strength? Would the strength of the spoon be stronger or weaker? Stronger. Okay. And why? Why do you think so? Alright. Okay. Now I'm going to pass all of you a recording sheet. I want you to write your name and your date. And over here you see the I think section. Alright. Just now what did we discuss? The more strokes I do. So I'm going to circle more. Okay. Everybody circle more with me. Okay, so the more strokes I do, the stronger or weaker the spoon. What did we discuss just now? We said stronger, right? Stronger. And the more or fewer paper clips the spoon will attract. Which one do you think? More or fewer? Just now we said more. Alright. Also, this is what we think, okay? But we don't know the end result yet. So I want all of you to flip to the next page. We are all going to experiment. Alright. You see the yellow section here? It says I must stroke 10 times, 10 more times, and even 10 more times. Alright? And over here, the white section, we have total number of strokes is 10, 20, and 30. So if let's say I stroke 10 times here, total number of strokes is 10, right? But if I stroke 10 more times here, 10 plus 10 is 20. So total I stroke 20 times. Alright? So the blue section here, it says my guess. So what I want you to do is, before you stroke the spoon with the magnet, I want you to think, how many paper clips do you think the spoon can attract after I stroke 10 times? Okay, and I want you to write your number here. The number of paper clips here. And over here for the green section, after you stroke the paper clips 10 times, then I want you to put the spoon near the paper clips and I want you to see how many paper clips it can attract. Is that okay? Alright, so I'm going to do the first example for you. Over here, it says I must stroke 10 times. So total number of strokes is 10. Miss Sim thinks that after 10 times, the paper clips will be, the number of paper clips that will be stuck to my spoon would be 1. Okay, so Miss Sim put 1 here, okay? And now I'm going to test. See, this is spoon C here. Spoon C has not been stroked before, so it's brand new. Cannot attract. Alright, so I am going to use my bar magnet and I'm going to stroke 10 times. Alright, children, let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, now I'm going to put my spoon C near my paper clips. How many paper clips are there? Children, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write 3 here. Is that okay? Can you do the 2 other boxes for me? So how does it help children to apply this process skills? So firstly, for observing, children observe and gather information on how the spoon is being turned into a temporary magnet by using the stroke method. And they also see how the magnetized spoon can attract more paper clips as the number of strokes increases. Next, for predicting, children are able to make connections with what they have observed and predict if the number of strokes from the magnet will affect the strength of the spoon. Next, for experimenting, resources such as paper clips, metal spoons, and bar magnets are provided for children to experiment and find out if their predictions are correct. Next, for recording, children make use of their sense of sight and touch while recording their findings. The recording sheet will help them to observe and track the relationship of between the number of strokes and the number of paper clips attracted. As for the dispositions, children practice perseverance as they continue to stroke the magnet on the spoon from one end to another in one direction for several times, and they learn how to not to give up and to complete the task. As for reflectiveness, children are able to think back about how we created the temporary magnets using the spoon, and they also learn that the more we stroke, the stronger the temporary magnet, which is the spoon. Yes. And lastly, for a sense of wonder and curiosity, my lesson piques their interest. Before I demonstrated the stroke method, I actually encouraged them to think of how Spoon Bee was able to attract the paper clips. And with my use of open-ended questions, I want to nurture students into curious and active learners who are ever ready to explore for answers. Thank you.